What is that guy even doing? I like it. All right. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, another fun day ahead of us. Again, I'm meeting up with Tango, 165, man. Good dude. Looking forward to what today has to offer us. Not real sure where we're going to eat yet. But I do know I got to hit the P.O. box, so hang tight. Dude, I'm the first one here. That never happens. I'm early. Let's get some fuel, make the bike super heavy. Fuel's almost at $5 a gallon, man. Mr. Tango, good to see you, sir, as always, on the big old beast. Right. You ever think about putting a train horn on one of these things?
That would be fun.
It's gonna be an easy day, Tango. 2 stops. Lunch as usual, but I gotta hit the P.O. box. Okay. Other than that, dude, I'm feeling pizza today. Pizza's good. I'm always down for pizza. It's been a bit. Haven't had pizza on the channel for a while, man. And I think I got a pretty good spot. Okay. You know what I miss? You know what I miss? I miss the GSXR. I mean, I like this and all. The GSXR, I miss it. The other thing I miss pizza. That's why we're eating pizza today. I'll tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to after we get our mail. You know, breaking up the day and stuff. And such. On my way, priest. What is that guy even doing? I like it. I like it. What an idiot. Never get this far. I always forget my number. Oh, we got stuff.
What'd you get? Motoradd, show the world.
I'll open that now, man. Let's check it out. Look at that. Yeah, it's flexible.
I got it.
Yup, flex. Look at that. Dude.
Oh, that changes everything. Oh, and it stays, it keeps it.
Right? I'm excited.
And you don't have to drill a hole in your helmet.
No more holes. I'm into it. I'll definitely use these. This is one of those things that I just can't wait to use.
Much more low profile than that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, thanks, Motorads. You guys are true friends, man. All right. Pizza. You're a big pizza fan? Would you say pizza's your favorite food?
It's got to be up there.
Today, we're going to a place. It's in Irvine. It's called Angelina's. You ever hear of it?
Yes, I have.
You've been there?
I've been there.
How good is it?
It's friggin' good. It's wood-fired or coal-fired, just like I like. It's super good.
You know all about this place already. Tell me about it, because I don't know much.
Kind of fancy.
Fancy? So you've been to this place. Out of all the pizza you've eaten in Orange County, where does it rank?
It depends. It's been super, super good, and it's been super bad.
Oh, no.
Wood-fired pizza, it's like that 1 second in between getting it out, and
yeah.
It's greasy or crispy. I like crispy and charred, and I've had both there.
And your favorite is wood-fired?
Wood or coal-fired pizza, I like that. Like that traditional, super crispy, super thin, like Italian.
Well, I also hear they have some good meatballs. We'll get a side of meatballs.
I know you like meatballs.
All right, well, let's try it. Angelina's. For one reason or another, Angelina's highly ranked. In all the lists I come across in pizza, best of, this one's on every single one of those lists. Oh man, normally don't talk about bad stuff on this channel, but something's been on my mind, man. I recently also really good friend, childhood friend, someone I've known for 3/4 of my life. A couple days ago I lost my buddy Micah. This dude was hilarious. He was one of the funniest dudes I'd ever met. Super caring. He was a good dude, man. Real good dude. Rest in peace, buddy. So many will miss you. Do you like wings?
Why, you want wings instead?
No. You think they got wings there?
I don't know.
Fancy places usually don't have wings. You ever notice that? Fancy places don't have wings usually? Angelina's. You ever hear the song Angelina by Alkaline Trio? It's one of my faves. It's a good one. Yeah, we've been in here a lot of times with this channel, but just never at Angelina's, right? Yeah, Burnt Crumbs. Went to Burnt Crumbs. You ever watch Cart Narcs? Love it.
How's it going?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Just two of us? We sit outside if you don't mind?
Can. Here, grab this table right here. There we go.
Thank you. It's a great spot. Tango, Angelina's, you were right, man. This place was perfecto. The meatballs, some of the best I ever had. They're in a league of their own, though. They're not just smashed together meat you cut into. They don't weigh 10 pounds.
Yeah, that's the biggest.
It
wasn't like a 10-pound meatball.
There were some fluffy ass tasty meatballs. I like my balls fluffy. Pizza was good, really good. What did you get?
I got the prosciutto.
Prosciutto
pizza.
Yours looked good. I got the one that sounded like that Ducati, Diavol. It was really good. I got the spicy version. Not over the top. It was good, man. Just enough kick. I could have eaten the whole thing if we didn't get the meatballs and the bread. Everything you saw on the table today, we got the 2 pizzas, we got the meatballs. Came out to about $63, man.
Service was excellent.
He had a good attitude.
The Italian guy on a Yamaha.
Do yourself a favor. Bring the chick, the dude, or whatever you guys are into these days. Make your date night Angelina's. All right, man. Well, fun time as always. Let's do it again soon.
Yes, sir.
All right.
That's the hell out of that thing.
It's his every dayer. Good for you, Luca. Yeah, our waiter, man. That guy we were just talking about. He owns 2 bikes. Rides every day. Doesn't even own a car.
I gotta go back to work.
All right.
It's good seeing you.
Good seeing you. This video will be out Monday. I'm going to do this one quick.